One maybe talk when I use this photo editing app for free as a beginner. How to use Photo Picsart editing app. Picsart. Google Play Store and now App Store. Wabo Picsart photo editor. Say never. Ubia say never. Templates be bro how we can use. It will follow inspiration. Generate with AI. Editing by a masters. A lot. This is the pro versions. To hear more, this plus icon. Photos, videos, drawing, template. We play or how we can use template. We play either YouTube, Facebook, portrait, story. Template in the paper. We play drawings. So drawings and so have we play videos. You can edit your videos also here. With me videos, so edit via the anchor photos. I'm check on your first. I use no photos and so with me background be PIA photos. Then go album. Go select a photo. Go gallery. Go favorite. I mean picture. Picking picture. My picture here. And see how to edit this picture. There's a over picture now here for you. There were tools. There were infect, retouch, remove background, be pro. Stickers, cut out, add text, add photo, double hide, double compact, remove, way erase, replace, fit, flash, borders, and shapes, maxim, drawing. And the heavy PPR, here we have PR, obetimi, I use one by one. Shapes for this color. This is part of the shapes. And go back. You will choose piano in effect. Piano in effect. Fixing. So we can select the shape with PRP. We will help us say this is how this app looks like. Backgrounds and so on. So a lot of backgrounds. With me. Even you imagine with me, there's another to us here. This app is very good for editing. The tools in our app is add the text and so on. Answer for add the text. Color with me, choose color be out. Color be out. Without testing also. A lot. Stroke, stroke, spacing. This is the very good editing app over here as an editor. Also add the picture back and once we also maybe for picture. Now add one. As you may say, give me a picture of the car. see that picture way. Okay, so blended this picture with this image. I'm going to but blend. Everything I will choose overlay. Or add overlay light, multiple screen. Okay, screen normal. Baby effects and so effects in the whole way. With me choose effects be out there. Go back. Okay, this is how to use this app step by step. Stickers is so hobby pre. Stickers in the cool have pre. Anyone I hope be stickers in the happy pre now. You open the web choose get there. This is the Picsart beginning up tutorial. High-tech Pro GH or YouTube Tech Pro GH or Facebook. So I want to be a say I'll be to me a chat a bread tools so tools be a person who should be a wait maybe soon know her. Yes, this tools. So as a graphic designer and a photo editor, this ever boy with me the creative thumbnails. Be a person with creative brand new product, t-shirt designs, a lot of things are up will be the audio as time goes on. Make sure step by step. Till the video in my packaging be a use app way. This video at the end and about better soon. That was sister what I between her. High-tech Pro GH. High-tech Pro GH. Your Facebook Tech Pro GH. Your YouTube. That's it.